Sorry. Okay. Okay, so if you want to type anything or if you want to say anything, just type in the chat or write something in the chat. I'll I'll reply. Okay. Those who have bad network. Okay. So एक बात बताओ तो रोशन भी आया है. तुम लोग को क्रैकिंग का लॉगिन का आईडी पासवर्ड मिला है? क्रैकिंग लॉगिन का?
Yes, sir.
All of you have ID password for the cracking?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, मेरे पास नहीं.
कौन बोला? सैरंगा? ओके ओके. रोशन तुम्हारे पास है? रोशन इफ यू सुनिया तुम्हारे पास है? सुनिया टाइप भी कर सकती हो है या नहीं बोल के. नो ये तो हाँ कोई बात नहीं.
अभी तक तो मिला नहीं है अभी तक.
ओके तब तो नहीं दे सकता क्योंकि मुझे एक क्विज लेना था तुम लोगों का. क्रैकिंग में ही लेना पड़ेगा लेने से. ओके तो जब तक तुम लोगों को वो नहीं मिलता, क्रैकिंग का लॉगिन आईडी नहीं मिलता, मैं एक असाइनमेंट दूंगा गूगल क्लासरूम में विथ डेट टाइम कब कंप्लीट करना है. प्लीज कंप्लीट इट. ठीक है. एंड वंस यू गेट द लॉगिन आईडी पासवर्ड एवरीवन. ठीक है. यहाँ पे तो सब तो आते नहीं है तुम लोगों में से. जैसे रोशन का पता नहीं, उसने तो कुछ बोला नहीं. सेरंगा, सोनिया, अगर तुम लोग को मिलता है तो बोल देना. देन आई विल टेक ए 10 मार्क्स क्विज. ठीक है. 10 मार्क का एक क्विज लूंगा मैं जस्ट टू हेल्प यू कि क्वेश्चंस कैसे आएंगे अगर इफ योर एग्जाम हेल्ड ऑन ऑनलाइन. ओके तो इसके लिए. ठीक है. तो इसी के लिए लेना था. ओके चलो आज का टॉपिक हम लोग कुछ टॉपिक करेंगे. ओके सो मैं जो भी पढ़ाता हूँ मैं दे देता हूँ. नोट्स तो मैं दूंगा फिर भी still if you want to go through the website that I am referring, अगर तुमको जाना है तो ये वाला है. ठीक है. गिकी यूनिवर्सिटी या तो गिक बोलते हैं. इट्स अ वेरी पॉपुलर वेबसाइट फॉर लिनक्स. ओके सो तुम लोग जा सकते हो. ये वेबसाइट मैंने चैट में डाल दिया है, कॉपी करके रख लो या तो कुछ भी करके रख लो. बाई चांस मेरा अगर नोट्स देते हुए लेट हुआ क्योंकि आई हैव टू मेड, यहाँ से मुझे बनाना पड़ेगा नोट्स. हाँ बना के मैं दूंगा. चलो तो आज का जो टॉपिक है हम लोग देखेंगे. इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. ओके सो आई होप ओके मैं वाइस जैन. ओके ओके सो आज का टॉपिक इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन एंड इट द टर्म दैट we are using is a process. Okay it's a English term, we know that. What is a process? Processing something, okay, which is pending. Okay the work which is pending we are going to process it, means we are going to work on it. Okay this is known as process. Okay but what is the meaning of process in an operating system like Linux हो गया तुम्हारा. then we can say that Unix, also Windows operating system. Okay Windows 7. So this process is same for all the operating system, not because we are starting Linux so this is only belongs to the Linux only or Unix only. It is not. This is a process which belongs to every operating system. So this in every operating system we need to know what is a process. Okay so they have written a definition here, so I'll just dictate it and then we'll explain it. an instance of a running program is called a process. An instance of a running program is called a process. Means if I make it simple, पहले मैं एक बार हिंदी में बोल देता हूँ, जो हिंदी समझ में आता है उन लोगों को, उन समझ जाओगे एक बार में। प्रोसेस क्या होता है? इट्स ए रनिंग प्रोग्राम। मीन्स तुम कोई भी अगर एप्लीकेशन खोलते हो, उसको हम लोग प्रोसेस बोलते हैं। जस्ट लाइक तुमने सब कुछ, तुम्हारा मोबाइल स्विच ऑफ करके ऑन किया, तुमने फेसबुक खोला, सो फेसबुक इज ए प्रोग्राम। ओके, फेसबुक इज ए प्रोग्राम, याद रखना। फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप, जितने भी एप्लीकेशन होते हैं, वट एवर द एप्लीकेशन वी हैव इन आवर लाइक system, you can say that mobile phones or in the that like डेस्कटॉप वर्जन्स। ओके, जितने भी फोन्स, अगर डेस्कटॉप के बारे में भी बोलता हूँ या तो मोबाइल फोन्स के भी बारे में बोलता हूँ, जितने भी एप्लीकेशंस होते हैं वो भी एक प्रोग्राम होते हैं। whatever the applications are there in your phones is known, also known as program, also known as software, also known as application software। Okay, and beyond this software, these documents also that I am showing right now, these documents also, whatever the documents you have saved, images you have saved, this is also known as a program. So whenever you open a program, means whenever you open a file, means whenever you open a software, whenever you open something, some task to do, like I have opened a Microsoft Word to write something. Okay, so I have clicked on the Microsoft Word. Okay, so this is known as process. When I start something in my computer or in my mobile phone, this is known as a process. So this is the definition. An instance of a running program is called a process. Whatever the software that you are running on your system, on your computer, on your phone, is known as a process. So इसका I can give you one example, right? You can see in the beyond, like in the bottom, you can see I have running like Spotify. Okay, I have Spotify open. Okay, I have minimized it. Okay, so I have terminal opened and I have minimized it. So these are the program running in the background. So whatever the program that are running in the background is known as a process. Okay, so यहाँ तक समझ में? Arnav, did you understand? Or Arnav, I think you have very good network. And Saranga. Okay, so Arnav, did you understand what is a process?
Yes, sir.
What is a process?
Sir, when we run an application or software,
Mm-hmm.
the running a program is called process.
Yes. Whenever we run some program and we minimize it in the background, this is known as a process. Means whatever the running, whatever the program that is still running in your program, this is called a process. Okay. So next, like every time you run a shell command means this terminal that I'm using. This is known as shell command, where I am. So in the last class, if you have attended, you know these terminals. Why we have used these terminals? Because to find the permissions of a particular file. So whatever the thing we are going to do with commands, with some code, this is known as a shell command. Yeah, ये बात याद रखना. Just remember that. Okay. So in your practical, if you are using a online compiler, this is also known as shell command, because you are using some kind of code. Okay, so this is known as shell command. So every time you run a shell command, means every time I run some terminals or I run some like okay, what can I say? Nah, just leave it. Every time I run a terminal, a program is run and a process is created for it. Means every term, whatever the you don't need to know this, then okay, we need to understand this. Each process in a Linux has a process ID. Means why I'm saying that? Because you need to remember this one, PID. Okay, PID means, and it is associated with a particular user and a group account. Okay, just to simplify you that, let me explain what is process ID. Now that you have understand what is process, next thing you need to understand is what is a process ID. So process ID means, let's just suppose, let's just go to a few minutes earlier that I have shown you, like I have opened Spotify, then I have opened terminal, then I have also have my WebEx running. Okay, so I know that this particular program name is terminal, and this particular program name is Spotify. How do I know? Because I know English and I can understand the language. But remember that a computer does not understand text. It only understand numbers. Okay, so how do computer understand that I have clicked on Spotify? This is Spotify. I have clicked on terminal. This is terminal, and this is WebEx. How do computer understand if computer even doesn't understand English sentences? So computer, every program has a process ID associated with it. Means every, just like your name in the school or university, Arnav has some ID associated with it. That is his unique roll number. Then Meva will have some unique enrollment number. Roshan Diamari has some unique roll number. So Seranga also has, Sunias also has some unique roll number. Why we use unique roll number in the school? Because there might be a case when Arnav can have a similar name. Okay, so to identify different people, to identify different things, they use some enrollment number. So same thing goes for the computer also. To identify different program, a computer or to identify a different program, a program is associated with a unique number that only computer understand, and this is what a process ID. A process ID means every program will have a unique identification number associated with it. Okay, I'll show you that. Okay, so this is what a process ID means. Arnav, can you just explain it? What is process ID?
So to find some particular person or particular data, process ID
In
is used to.
yeah, okay, in computer we don't use people. In computer we will use program. Just for an example, I have given you the people's example. Okay, so to find some particularly unique like software or a program, we use process ID. Process ID means Spotify will have every program will have a unique ID. Okay, and this won't be repeated. Okay, each and every whatever the you are seeing in my dock, like Finder, then Siri, then Launchpad, then Safari, then Mail, then Contact, whatever the programs I have in my computer has a unique ID, and this unique ID is known as process ID. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Seranga, can you please say again what is process ID?
सभी प्रोग्राम के लिए एक प्रोसेस आईडी होता है,
हम्म
यूनिक प्रोसेस आईडी होता है
हम्म
यूनिक प्रोग्राम के लिए।
हम्म जैसे हाँ, जैसे ये पकड़ लेते हैं, ये टर्मिनल के लिए भी हम लोग को तो पता है ये टर्मिनल है, इस प्रोग्राम का नाम टर्मिनल है, बट कंप्यूटर को इसका नाम टर्मिनल नहीं पता होगा। वो जब देखेगा वो कैसे देखेगा? वो नंबर के हिसाब से देखेगा। ठीक है, तो वो देखेगा उस टर्मिनल में का नंबर कुछ होगा, सपोज 1 2 3 4 होगा। ठीक है, जस्ट लाइक तुम लोग का रोल नंबर, हम लोग जब तुम लोग का अटेंडेंस देते हैं, तुम लोग का नाम नहीं देखते, हम लोग क्या देखते हैं? तुम लोग का एनरोलमेंट नंबर है। अर्णव के पास में कौन सा एनरोलमेंट नंबर है? व्हाट इज द रोल नंबर फॉर द मेवा? व्हाट इज द रोल नंबर फॉर रोशन? सो कंप्यूटर भी सेम देखता है। याद रखना, कंप्यूटर डजंट अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश सेंटेंस, इट ओनली अंडरस्टैंड नंबर्स। ओके, इट डील्स विद नंबर्स। तो ये बात याद रखो, जो कभी भी जो तुम ये जो क्रॉस बटन पे दबा रहे हो, ये जो तुम देख रहे हो, हाँ, ये सब तुमको समझ में आ रहा है, कंप्यूटर को समझ में नहीं आ रहा। ये जो तुम, मैं ये जो एप्पल के लोगो पे, whenever I click on that Apple logo and I click on that shutdown, so shutdown has some unique number to it. Okay, I know that this is shutdown, but computer doesn't know that this is shutdown. इस शटडाउन के पीछे कुछ कोड लिखा होगा नंबर के हिसाब से। तो जब भी मैं शटडाउन क्लिक करता हूँ तो उसको समझ में आता है कि इस नंबर पे क्लिक हुआ है, मतलब इस नंबर का एक्शन ये करना है। It doesn't understand anything, and computer doesn't understand any English word that you are currently saying. Everything has number behind its sentences. Bookmarks also will have some numbers. Window will also have some numbers. Understand? And this is what we known as a process ID. Clear है सबका?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. These are very important. Please remember that this will be helpful for your whole life, because this thing, you are a computer science student and you should know more than your general like students. Okay, then you should know that computer only understand numbers, only understand digital numbers. Computer doesn't understand English sentences. ये सब normal लोगों को पता नहीं होगा, but you should know it. Okay, so next thing, first thing we have understood, this is a process. Next thing we have understood what is a process ID. Now that we have to understand that, you have to remember that Linux is a multitasking operating system, which means that multiple programs can be running at the same time. Remember that every operating system is a multitasking operating system, not just Linux. Just because we are studying Linux, so we are referring Linux. Every operating system is a multitasking operating system. How? Multitasking means एक टाइम पे बहुत सारा काम करना. At the same time, you are working on the many programs. Like, for example, देखो यहाँ पे मैं खोल के रखा. For example, I have opened Safari browser. I have opened WebEx. I have also opened Terminal. I have also opened Spotify. So at the same time, I am doing multiple tasks. So this is why it is known as like Linux is a multitask operating system. And what is a multitask? If I ask you in your exam, what is a multitask? Multitask means multiple programs or a multiple softwares can run at the same time. This is processes are also known as task. Just remember that. ये मैंने पहले भी बोला था. Processors also known as task. Processors also known as programs. Processors also known as क्या बोला था और software. So these are known as processors. Okay. So okay. So now here we have understood from this page. You need to understand what is a process, what is a process ID, and what is a multitasking. These are the three things you need to know. Okay, so now that you have understood process, okay, process means, and one more thing that I need to explain before proceeding to the next topic, that is, every time you are opening multiple programs in your computer or in your phone, it consumes some RAM. It consumes some RAM, it consumes some storage, and as a result, your performance will be degraded. Degraded means your performance will be decreases. मतलब क्या होता है? Again, I'm repeating. Every time you open multiple programs in your mobile phone or in your system and you don't close it, अगर तुम उसको बंद नहीं करते हो, खोल के रख देते हो, एवरी टाइम यू ओपन मल्टीपल प्रोग्राम, उससे क्या होता है? तुम्हारा रैम का जो मेमोरी होता है वो ज्यादा खा जाता है प्रोग्राम्स. उससे क्या होगा? तुम्हारा कंप्यूटर स्लो हो जाएगा, तुम्हारे प्रोग्राम्स तुम्हारे कंप्यूटर स्लो हो जाएगा. योर कंप्यूटर विल गेट स्लो एंड योर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम विल आल्सो गेट स्लो इफ यू ओपन टू मेनी प्रोग्राम्स एट द सेम टाइम. सो वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट. ओके, and the next topic goes like this. Okay, this is what we need to understand. Okay, now we'll come to the basic parts or the practical part. Okay, list of all running processes. Now you want to see what are the processes that I'm running in my computer. Okay, I just forgot. I know only these are I can understand these are the Spotify, then Terminal, then these are the programs I've been running, or these are the process that are running in my computer. But beyond that, there will be some other task that is running that I don't know. So how to see list and why to see? So that I can stop the processes. Those जो प्रोसेस में प्रोग्राम में यूज नहीं कर रहा वो मैं उनको स्टॉप कर सकूं. सो उनको देखने के लिए आई हैव टू फर्स्ट see what are the processes that are running in my computer. So to see that, यहाँ पे पूरा दिखाया हुआ है. I won't show you this. I'll just go to the practical stuff. Okay, you will go to the terminal. If you are using an Unix operating system, terminal will be here in your computer, just like your command prompt CMD in your Windows system. So you will go to your terminal and you will type P PS. PS means process state. Okay, so process state, then dash capital A. PS means process state. It will show all the and because of dash A, it will show all the running processes that are being running in my current computer system. Okay, so these are the, देखो यहाँ पे you can see that wavex folder is running. Okay, wavex means my wavex is running. So these are the process. Look how many processes are running. Okay, let me just enlarge it. Look, these are the processes running in my computer and it is consuming my RAM. Okay, so these are the processes. These are the time that it's running. 1309 पे ये run हुआ, 162 पे ये run हुआ. So all the programs that are still running in my computer are showing here. So these are the programs that I have been running. And how to see that? What are the processes? What are the program that I'm running? PS space dash A. Okay. Now look at those PID here. Now look at in the left hand side. You can see that PID means process ID or process identification. Means every program will be have a unique number associated with it. These are the programs and these are the unique ID that is associated with a process or a software. So हर एक सॉफ्टवेयर के साथ देखो, हर एक प्रोग्राम के साथ एक यूनिक आईडी एसोसिएटेड है. So देखो, these are the process ID and these are the program that I'm running. Suppose now this is how you can see what are the process that you are running in your computer. Okay, so now how, if you want to stop some processes, how to kill those processes means suppose ये वाला, ये जो ये PID1 वाला, this one is consuming more RAM and I'm not using this program, and how do I kill it? Okay, so my next topic will be how to kill a processes. Okay, okay, let me just close it. We'll see it next. So this is all that I have shown you. So now we'll go to the next topic, that is where is that? Processes. Where? Okay, permissions we have done. Okay, manage user. Okay, how to kill a process. And remember that this will be only work in Unix operating system. So under Unix operating system we have Linux and also Mac OS. So I have Mac OS, so it's working fine. Okay, so how to now you need to understand how to kill a process in Linux. Kill means there will be definition and there will be like question, what is kill command. So by going through the like sentence or the word, the kill means if you want to murder someone, but in here means the kill command is used to terminate a process in Linux. If you want to terminate or if you want to stop a process in Linux operating system, we use kill command. Okay, so I'm not going to, it will be like your 1 mark or 2 mark questions. So this is it, and just I'll be heading over to the practical stuff. Okay, so now I'll be using another command that you have to remember, that is beside, like I have using PS dash space dash A, I can see all the processes running. Okay, so I can also use another command that is known as top, which is top, which is similar to that PS space dash A, but here what it is happening, you can see all the thing here, like how much a program is using memory. Mem means memory. How much a program is using CPU, how much a program is using its storage. Okay, so this is a advanced version of top. टॉप में क्या होता है, तुम्हारे सीपीयू में कितना यूसेज हो रहा है एक प्रोग्राम के लिए, कितना जगह खा रहा है, रैम में कितना जगह खा रहा है, तुम्हारा सीपीयू कितना हीट हो रहा है, ये हम लोग देख सकते हैं टॉप कमांड को यूज करके. एंड इफ यू यूज पीएस कमांड, we can only see the list of the processes that we are running, and if we use top command we can see every other features like how much a program is using a CPU, how much a program is using a RAM, everything we can see. So this is an advanced version of top. Now I want to close, like suppose I want to kill a command. So PID means what? Process identification or process ID. So 2354. Okay, so wait, 2354. Okay, so this is the command. 9 means what? Okay, wait, 9. Okay, so now you have to remember this table. Okay, so I'll just say how to kill a process, no? So wait, I have to first terminate this. So how to kill a process? Okay, so you can just I have to see again. Wait, top. Okay, so I have to remember this thing. PID means I want to kill this. Wait, let's just log in, bash, md worker, webex meeting. Which one I want to kill? So these are the program running, no? मुझे ऐसा कुछ एक किल करना पड़ेगा जो मेरा काम में नहीं आ रहा है. फोटो लाइब्रेरी. Let's just kill this one. Photo library 472. We have to remember this 472. Okay, so we'll just remember this ID. We have to remember kill. Then we'll type 472. Then you have to remember like okay, dash s. Okay, I'll explain. Wait for a second. And 9. Okay, I've done some mistake. Just bear with me for a second. थोड़ा टाइम के लिए रुको. Kill dash s, फिर 9, फिर number. Command not found. Okay, it's not working here.
Okay, L हो गया.
Oh yes. Okay, now I think it will work. Yes, it's working. Now if I see 472, can I see that? So I will again use top, and let's just see if 472 is here or not. Okay, so now you can see that after 471 there is no 472. ठीक है, देखो किल हो गया. ठीक है, ओके, अब मैंने क्या किया है वो देखना है ना. So these are the command that if we want to kill some processes. So Windows के लिए अलग है. ठीक है, so हम लोग ये kill command क्यों करते हैं? हम लोग तो close भी कर सकते हैं. तो हम लोग we want kill command like तुम्हारे पास ऐसा situation आ सकता है जहाँ पे your computer gets hang and you cannot do anything. If you like click on this close command, it is not closing. Okay, your process get a hang on some tool, or you have like it's stuck. So if you want to forcefully close down something, we use kill command. Okay, so here let me just give you. Okay, मेरा charge भी नहीं है. Okay, होगा. So kill is for killing something, and dash is s is for using like this one, whatever the source if we are using. Okay, so हमेशा हम लोग source का use करते हैं. Source means s means source. So you are inputting something. So हम लोग जो input देंगे उसको s बोलते हैं. ठीक है, and then 9 means look, now you have to remember this table. Okay, 9 means why I am using 9. So 9 will, what it will do to the process is that causes the process to exit without performing routine shutdown task. Means if I use 9 number, it will, what it will do to the process that I want to kill, it will automatically forcefully kill everything. Okay, so you can use any number. Okay, so if you want to use number 15, number 15 means what? Causes the process to exit but allows it to close open files. So it will only exit the file, but it will have its files that you have unsaved. Suppose you are working on your Microsoft Word and it gets hang and you want to kill the process, but you want to like whatever you have done in your Word, like you have typed something, you want to like rename as same as that. Okay, सो जितने भी जैसे भी है सारे प्रोग्राम मुझे ऐसे ही चाहिए, बट मैं वर्ड को क्लोज करना चाहता हूँ. सो आई विल यूज 15 नंबर. So it won't harm any files. Okay, but whatever I have used number 9. So just because I have used number 9, remember that causes the process to exit without performing routine shutdown mode. It will exit everything whatever I was working on these processes. It won't save it. It will exit or it will close everything. So these are the numbers that you have to remember. And if you don't use numbers, you can also use, and this is 13203 is means it PID. So whatever the process you want to close, this will be the ID. Okay, I hope you have understood. Enough, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो बता दो फिर हम लोग.
So to terminate some program,
Okay,
we have to use kill command.
yes,
In the terminal, we have to write kill, then space, dash,
yes,
s,
then
we have to write the PID.
then number, why we use 9?
So to kill, to terminate the program without routine shutdown task.
Yes. So you have to remember those things. What is this number? And then 13203, what it is for? क्या हो गया? कहाँ गया? गायब हो गया?
Sir, PID.
PID, yes. PID means what?
Sir, process identification.
What it does? What is the definition if I say?
Sir, it is a unique number
Associated with a program. It is a unique number associated with it.
Is that number?
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
yes. So rest people like okay, मैं शुरू करता हूँ, नीचे से ही शुरू करता हूँ. सोनिया, if did you understand?
यस सर.
सब समझ में आ गया?
सर वो लास्ट पीआईडी जो है ना वो नहीं है.
अच्छा, पीआईडी समझ में आता है क्या? पीआईडी क्या होता है?
जी.
क्या होता है?
यस सर.
हाँ, पीआईडी क्या?
प्रोसेस आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर.
मतलब एक सॉफ्टवेयर के साथ प्रोसेस आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर, एक नंबर एसोसिएट रहता है ना, राइट? ओके, सो यू डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट लास्ट वन, दैट इज किल ना? क्या समझ में नहीं आया बोलो तो एग्जैक्टली?
सर किल स्पेस S9 NO PID नंबर.
यस. अच्छा. सो देखो, हम लोग को अगर किसी प्रोसेस को किल करना है तो हम लोग ये कमांड यूज करेंगे. तो ये कुछ चीजें रिमेम्बर करना पड़ेगा तुमको. किल, तो हम लोग किल क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि वी वांट टू किल द प्रोसेस. सो दिस S means every time whenever we use S means we are using our own program. Means if you want to kill system program, so there are two types of process or there are two types of software are there. So if you want to kill system program, so there will be other command. But if we want to kill application program means for our own work, like Spotify हो गया, Facebook हो गया, so we use -s to specify the command that we are killing application program, not a system program. and 9 means 9 to specify how you want to kill the process, how we want to kill the specific process. So to understand what does that 9 means, 9 means ये क्या करेगा, 9 क्या करेगा, it will cause the process, मतलब जो तुम kill करना चाहते हो process को, वो क्या करेगा, वो directly click कर देगा, directly kill कर देगा forcefully. It will kill the process without परफॉर्मिंग रूटीन शटडाउन, मतलब वो कुछ फॉलो नहीं करेगा, वो फोर्सफुली तुमको प्रोसेस को किल कर देगा, और जितने भी तुम्हारे प्रोसेस में जितने भी काम चल रहे थे वो फोर्सफुली बंद हो जाएंगे. बट रिमेंबर दिस विल अफेक्ट योर प्रोग्राम. Okay, so 9 is referring to this, and then 13203 is your process ID, means जो तुमको प्रोसेस को तुमको डिलीट करना है, जो प्रोसेस को तुमको डिलीट करना है, जो प्रोसेस को तुमको किल करना है, उस प्रोसेस का आईडी. जैसे मैंने आई हैव यूज्ड 472 वाज एसोसिएटेड विद ए एप्लीकेशन नेम्ड एज फोटो लाइब्रेरी, सो उसके साथ एसोसिएटेड था, तो दिस इज process ID. I cannot write photo library here because computer won't understand. Computer only understand unique number. So that is why I have used 472. Okay, समझ में आया? सुनिए, समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Seranga, next Seranga, did you understand everything that I taught? Serango.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया? ओके. क्या बोलना है कुछ सरंगा? अच्छा, ओके. सो मेवा, your internet is good. रोशन, नहीं है. अर्णव, तुमको समझ में आ गया सब?
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो चलो, मैं एक बार फिर से बोल देता हूँ आज क्या क्या कराया है. रिपीट नहीं करूंगा, बोर नहीं करूंगा. लेट मी अगेन टेल यू. आज हम लोगों ने पढ़ा कि सर माय नेटवर्क इज पोर. ओके. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? कैन यू जस्ट टाइप इन द चैट, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? Roshan, okay, yes sir, okay. Can you just type, did you understand or not? Or if you don't understand, okay. So let me just give you the summary that I have teach you. So first we have seen what is a process. Process क्या होता है? जो भी program तुम्हारे computer में run, whatever the program that is running in your computer or a mobile phone is known as a process. Then we have seen what is a process ID. So every process will have some unique number that is known as process ID. To identify those programs, we need a unique ID, and this is known as a process ID. So then we have seen that operating system is a multitasking system. Okay, so multitasking means what? You can run multiple programs at the same time. Okay, so this is what a multitasking means. So then we have seen how to see all the running processes in your computer. So to see the running processes in your computer, we use two commands. One is like I'll type here ps dash a. So this is one command to see all the processes that is running on your computer, and then another command we have used top. So these are the two command that we have used to see all the running processes. So what are the difference between two processes? So what are the difference between two commands? So first one, ps-add, will show you only the processes that are running, but in top command you can see all the processes that are running. But beyond this, you can also see which processes consume more RAM, which processes consume more CPU. So this is an advanced version from PSA. So this is that we have seen. And next we have seen how to kill a process. Means before going to see how to kill a process, we need to understand what is a kill command. So kill command, what is a kill command? Kill command is like to terminate. Whenever you want to forcefully terminate process, some programs that are not closing, okay, normally. So this is known as whenever we are forcefully terminating some programs, then we use kill command. और kill command का command क्या था? Kill dash kill space dash s space then number will specify how we want to kill the process number, then the PID means then the process that you want to kill. So these are the a lot of things that we have seen. मैंने तो अच्छे से बता दिया, देखो मैंने देखा भी नहीं बता दिया, but you will be having a tough time to understand all this. So please go through this till I upload the notes. You can go through the link also if you want to remember. Okay. So you can go to the process section, that shell I have not teaching today. I have teaching managing processes. So you can go to the section, I can study till I upload some notes in the Google Classroom. Okay. Is that fine? जो पढ़ाया सब समझ में आया, क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड. सो यू जस्ट देखो मैं एकदम छोटा छोटा पढ़ाता हूँ, कम पढ़ाता हूँ, मैं इंसानी छोटा हूँ तो इसलिए छोटा छोटा टॉपिक पढ़ाता हूँ. सो आई विल जस्ट सजेस्ट यू कि मैं आज जो पढ़ा रहा हूँ, वट एवर आई एम टीचिंग यू राइट नाउ, you should just in the evening, just for a 10 minutes or 20 minutes, just revise whatever I have just taught you. Okay, just revise whatever just sir has told. Let's just see sir ने क्या बोला, ये process में जाते हैं, ठीक है? Just read like this. So I'll go to here. सर ने बोला प्रोसेस. सो ये देखने से पहले तुम जस्ट रिमाइंड करना, जस्ट रिमाइंड वट एवर जस्ट सर हैज टोल्ड. यू जस्ट डोंट नीड टू रीड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. यू जस्ट हैव टू डिवाइड दिस थिंग्स. फर्स्ट सर ने बोला था प्रोसेस क्या है, सेकंड सर ने बोला था प्रोसेस आईडी क्या है, थर्ड सर ने बोला था कि व्हाट इज लिनक्स मल्टीटास्किंग. So you just remember like this, like whenever you will study something, this is a tip and this is a suggestion that I'm giving. Whenever you read something that is very big, please divide it in a section and just try to understand in your own words. जिसको एसामीज में आता है वो एसामीज में पढ़े. who knows, who understand English very well, just please try to understand it in English. Who understand in Hindi very well, just whatever the language you understand very clearly, just go on with this language first. Okay. So देखो मैं क्या करता था जब मैं बचपन में था, दो आया मैं बंगाली, बट मुझे हिंदी, मतलब मैं केबी में था, सो माई हिंदी इज वेरी गुड और मैं हमेशा से हिंदी में ही सब कुछ पढ़ता हूँ, ठीक है? सो यू कैन सी दैट वेन एवर आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग समथिंग इन इंग्लिश एंड वेन एवर आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग समथिंग इन हिंदी, तो बहुत फर्क आता है. देखना, हिंदी में जब मैं पढ़ाता हूँ वो ज़्यादा फ्रेंकली होता है, वो बोरिंग नहीं होता है. इट इज़ बिकॉज आई एम वेरी कंफर्टेबल इन हिंदी देन इन इंग्लिश. एंड ये कोई शर्म की बात नहीं होता है. हर एक क्या होता है, हर एक का कंफर्टेबल जोन होता है, तो तुम्हारा भी कुछ कंफर्टेबल जोन होगा. तो मैं जब पढ़ता था, जब मैं क्लास 10 पे था, जब व्हेन आई डिड माय सो आई डिड माय मास्टर्स, मैंने 2 बार मास्टर्स किया, अभी मैं पीएचडी कर रहा हूँ. सो व्हेनेवर आई हैव स्टडीड इन कॉलेजेस और इन द लाइक यूनिवर्सिटीज, सो जब भी मुझे जैसे इसे बड़ा पैराग्राफ, व्हेन आई एनकाउंटर विद सम बिग पैराग्राफ्स दैट आई वांट टू रिमेंबर, आई डिवाइडेड इन a section wise. And then I like an instance of a running program is a called process, and I translate it into my own language. इसको मैं हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करूंगा पहले. ये मैं पहले I will just try to read it out, then I will translate it into Hindi because I understand Hindi very well. And if I understand Hindi, I can translate it into English and any other language. Okay, so जो भी जैसे भी पढ़ो तुम पहले अपने लैंग्वेज से पढ़ो, फिर उसको just try to convert it into English. ठीक है? Then it will make it easy for you to remember all those things. Okay, so like okay, so Memba is present, Arnav is present, Roshan is present, Seranga is present, Sunya is present. Okay, I'll mark the attendance and I'll text you to update the feedback. And by the evening, I'll also upload the notes in the Google Classroom. Okay, and I hope in the next week also, in this week, I'll give you some assignments to do in the Google Classroom. Okay, please try to complete it. And let's just end it. It's already 10 to have fun. Bye, tata, and take care.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.